Saint Simon, Georgia. It's an island.
This is St. William's Church.
Huh? And before anything else, we're going to church to St. William's Church. And we are entering on the side, not on the front.
No, this is the front.
This is the front.
This is the front.
Oh, this is the front of the church. Ang nga natin, St. William?
St. William.
St. William. And we are now here in Saint Simon. Asa man ang beach area? Lili?
Ayun, magkamaligo na.
Pwede naman na maligo di ay.
Ang pasay ka ng Pier.
Smile!
Asa yung sunglass?
Hawak ko magda. Di ba gugot yung sunglass?
Welcome to Neptune Park. Asa si Neptune?
In case of emergency, call 911. Ay! Ala, nice na ng swing-swing. Oh. Nice man, they put Biskay! Hala! Hugaw lagyan tubig.
Can you do St. Simon's Island Pier? Pusing na.
By the seashore. Smile man lang! Oh, it's windy. But the weather today, it's super windy here, but the weather today is perfect. Ang sa'yo yung weather?
Kapag barko nga na buwan niya.
Diha? Naabali mo itong buwan nga barko. Ngahing balik nga rin siya. Alam, sa mga itong bridge, gataga na. Dili mo na. Asa ka na pa doon, Jer?
Jekyll Island.
Mo na siya Jekyll Island. So this is St. Simon's Island and the other side is the Jekyll Island.
Labi itong Jekyll Island. Kasi may seashore kayo.
The water is not clear. It's dirty. This is nice. Alam mo kayo nung doon, mapukuan sa San Diego, mag-fishing me. Ay, isdaan ni Jared, naghan? Nasa kailang ko ka. Matagak pa lang ka.
Dahil ba yung tong-tong?
Yung balong matagak ka, oy. Kitsa, bahala, chukaw. Matagak ka mara, di siya pagkumulangoy. Di po kay ba mulangoy. Pagkaligo ni mo, naman ang ilang baon pa. Hindi na siya hugaw. Ingana siya yung color. Ingana hindi yung color. This is nice. I love it. Pwede ano lang. Nice. Ingana naman po.
I'm here in St.
Pusing man lang.
Ayoko nang basurahan dito dito.
This is nature. Wala nga perfect ang iyahang weather. Asa? Asa? Anapa ko ni dako manang. Picture. Nax, talikod po siya. I want to touch the water. I want to try the water.
Slide ka na.
You cannot climb on Wally the whale because it's an artwork. Wally the whale says, take a picture with me, not on me. Smile! Si Wally dayangan.
Tikas para dagat.
Ay, oh. Lamihan po ka, Jer, kay nakahuna-huna ka. May kay nakahuna-huna ka, Jer. Si Wally siya? Ay, ora na ni Wally. Oh my gosh. It's just the head of Wally.
Butang saan ka?
Fort St. Simon's
Island.
Basta ha, dako, kusgang basa.
General James Edward established the fortified town of Frederica 7 miles northwest of today's Lighthouse. Fort Frederica served as a defense against
Gigira din isa lang purposes.
yan every
Nag-light na siya, Jer? So magamit sa mga fishermen's Nax. Nax. Picture. Love it. Oh my gosh, the lighthouse is just behind the house. Nax.
Cliff.
And now we are on the East Beach. This is the east side of St. Simon's.
Yeah.
Okay, East Beach good. And we have our food to eat by the beach. Manang will swim. Mag-swim ka?
Yes.
And our picnic chairs are ready. Layo, Jujar. Pag sure
We
ba?
miss you, Ate Ace.
So they have a beach warning lights. It's red right now. Oh, it means strong currents or high waves or contamination. Rojo, peligro, alto, corrientes, fuertes, ola, altas, o contaminación. Hala, it's red right now. Are you sure? They providing blue carpet. Blue carpet going to the beach area.
Only in St. Simon's.
Only in St. Simon's?
There is carpet to the beach.
Na, diri na ba na Jer? Diri na ni Jer?
Kitang may carpet ang beach.
Naabo di ay karon pa magukita na yung ani good. Ay, naay manang. Nang sama ka. Look at that view. It's so pretty with the waves. With my red umbrella.
Hi.
Kayo nakawa ako video ha. Ako na videoan pa kayo na. Sama na!